If you've used something today, there's a good chance that it was put together with welding. It's an industry that spans the globe and can be applied to a variety of different sectors. And if you play your cards right, welding is a profession that can be quite lucrative. The welding program at the Lawrence College and Career Center in Peaslee Tech begins with Welding 1 and 2. This basic course is offered to students with little or no welding experience. The first 9 weeks are devoted to welding safety, cutting skills, and welding techniques. The remainder of the course is focused on arc safety and welding using various types of electrodes. Students who complete Welding 1 and 2 can enroll in Advanced Welding 1 and 2. This application-level course instructs students in the knowledge and skills needed for solving fabrication problems, to weld joints in multiple positions and perform plasma cutting. Students in Advanced Welding 1 and 2 will earn college credit and can earn industry certifications.